Welcome back everybody, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today in front of me I have two Honda Accord radio climate control assemblies. Over here on this side we have the 2003 to 2007, and over here on this side we have the 2008 and 2012. So what goes wrong with these Honda Accord radio climate control assemblies? Well, for this one right here, you have radio issues, so static, noise, backlighting, and LCD failure. And on this one, primarily just the backlights are going out. So you have a few options. You can either buy a used one on eBay or somewhere else in a junkyard, but it'll only be a matter of time before that one also goes bad. Try to get one from a dealership and you might find that these are on back order or no longer available. And you could also go with aftermarket. Now with aftermarket, you would get an aftermarket climate control and let's say LCD screen doubled in with the aftermarket trim bezel plastic cover piece. So those are the three options, but here at UpFix we have a better solution. Send in your original climate control radio assembly and we'll fully bench test it, see what's going on, and repair it. And our certified UpFix repair technicians will fully test it, repair it, and keep you updated every step of the way. Now you might think that it's actually as simple as replacing the bulbs on the backlights here on both units, but that might not be the story because most often than not, the bulbs themselves are actually good, but there's circuit board issues. So there's PCB behind this radio assembly climate control, and they both fail. So basically we have to do a complete teardown and find the issue on the circuit board that's causing the backlighting not to come on. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time.